In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete header and footer from PowerPoint slide. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to remove footers from your slides and headers from your notes and handouts. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up templates, preparing a clean deck for sharing, or customizing printed materials. First, let's remove the footer from your slides. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation you want to edit. Head to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text section, click Header and Footer. A dialog box will appear. Stay on the Slide tab and look for the Footer option. Uncheck Footer to turn it off. When you're ready, choose whether you want the change on just the slide you're currently viewing by clicking Apply, or across every slide in the presentation by clicking Apply to All. If you're using a theme or template, this will override the visible footer area on the slides without altering your slide content. Now let's remove the header, which in PowerPoint applies to notes and handouts rather than the slides themselves. We'll start with the header and footer method, go back to Insert and click Header and Footer again. This time switch to the Notes and Handouts tab in the dialog. Here, uncheck Header to remove it or clear the header text if you see any. Click Apply to All to make sure the change affects all your notes, pages, and handouts consistently. This won't modify your slide content. It only changes what appears on printed or exported notes and handouts. There's another way to handle headers for handouts using the Handout Master. Go to the View tab, then select Handout Master. You'll see a master layout for printed handouts. Click directly on the header text area at the top and press Delete to remove it. Alternatively, look at the Handout Master tab on the ribbon and uncheck the header option there. When you're done, click Close Master View to return to your presentation. Using the Handout Master is helpful if you want precise control over printed layout elements across every handout page. That's all there is to it. You've removed footers from slides and you've cleared headers from notes and handouts using two straightforward methods. If anything doesn't look right, remember you can undo your last action or reopen the same menus to adjust. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.